Don't be scared to serve healthy food at your Halloween party. I've got some ideas for you.
We are hosting a Halloween party. Happy Halloween! And I just want to show you that you can do some healthy things. So I have some ghosts who are the Scream Ghosts made out of bananas. And then of course I've got a vegetable tray over there. Now not everybody's gonna like vegetables, but most people, especially kids, will like fruit. So I always go and I put out a mixture of berries and grapes. So I have Greek salad and I have regular salad. And then we've got turkey and roast chicken. And then over here, this is like the bad side for. These are really yummy. So I've got pieces of pineapple mixed in with vanilla Greek yogurt and some strawberries. And this one has like blackberries and raspberries in there. We also have blue. And then this is baked apples. That's Bruno over there getting ready for the party. I put some more vanilla Greek yogurt, and so you get a little bit of protein, and it tastes so good. It tastes kind of like melted vanilla ice cream, minus all the fat and sugar and calories, plus some protein. Just wanted to show you can have some healthy options too. I'm Lisa Traugott, and I'm the blogger behind she'slosingit.com. Please like, follow, and subscribe. I hope these tips helped, and have a happy Halloween.